Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roshan. Actually, today my plan is to move to go Bombay. So after exploring a bit in Pune and visiting Diggy Hills, so I decided to move to the gateway of India. Very excited to see the city for the first time. So let's see the map, how I'm going to travel to Mumbai. On the map side, on the last video I showed is that I reached Pune. So today my plan is to travel from Pune to Mumbai. So basically I will use the route via Lonavala. So I may stop here for some photo shoots and just want to see a little bit about this famous hill station, one of the famous hill station in Maharashtra itself. So after that I'll be moving to West Andheri on the Bigwing Honda showroom just to do a small checkup to make sure that everything is in perfect condition. So further to that I'll be moving somewhere to Colaba area, which is near to Gateway of India. I need to find some accommodation over there. So this video is about ride from Pune to Mumbai. Very excited to experience the Mumbai roads. So let's go.